In this video, I'll show you how to set up a member count bot on Discord. First, choose a member count bot. Popular options include bots like StatBot or Server Stats, which are designed to display your server's member count automatically. Next, go to the bot's official website and click Invite. You'll be redirected to Discord, where you need to select your server. Make sure you have administrator permissions or the ability to manage the server before continuing. After selecting your server, review the permissions and click Authorize to add the bot. Complete the CAPTCHA if prompted, and the bot will join your server. Now, go back to your Discord server and create a new voice channel. Name it something like Members 0. This channel will automatically update to show your current member count. Then, use the bot's setup commands. For example, some bots use commands like /setup or /membercount to link the bot to the channel. Follow the instructions provided by the bot to configure it properly. Once everything is set up, the channel name will update automatically whenever members join or leave your server. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.